Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're new here and you want to grow your hair long, retain all that length and have a healthy hair overall, then join the family by clicking on that subscribe button right below and the notification bell beside it, so you're notified every time and anytime our video comes up. So in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve chunky twist. You see a picture somewhere around here. I think you can also achieve that look in your medium hair, in your short hair, and well, in your long hair. So let's get right into the actual twist video. Bye. So to achieve this look, you have to start with a dry hair, like moisturized hair, but your hair should be dry. I was gonna install it a day after I washed, but it was still damp, like 95 or 90% dry, so I just couldn't have to wait another day for the hair to get dry before I started installing it. And I had to find a way to wrap it anyway to work. So the thing is, I wash my hair in my twists, I deep condition my hair in my twists, I seal my hair in the shower in my twist, so I don't have a reason to unravel my hair for any reason except I'm renewing my twist. Trust me, it has helped me retain volume, it has helped me retain length, and it has helped me. This is me sealing my hair in the shower, so that's why, I don't know, it's a lot easier. So at this point I like to go in with a shea butter just to increase shine and then weigh down my ends. So when I do that with a shea butter, it's thick, so it kind of weighs down my ends and then keeps them fed, because they have to remain fed so that I can retain all the length I can get from my head. So the thing now with this twist here is not your regular rope twist or your regular kind of twist where you twist your hair, roll your fingers and achieve that tight looking twist. With this you won't achieve the chunky twist look. Nah. So let me tell you how you honestly achieve it. You have to detangle your hair with your fingers, or if you blow dry your hair, that's fine, but your hair has to be like free. Then you hold the ends tight with your rope twist and run down your fingers on each part of your hair just to stretch your hair and then lay them down. Then just fold your hair. I call it folding. Like you just run your strands across the other. You run it across the other like that till you get to the end. So when you're at the end and it's remaining small, then you repeat your rope twist. Like you now twirl your hand while you're twisting. So that helps it stay so it doesn't unravel, and it keeps it firm at the end. That's exactly how your twist will look if you understand it. I'm gonna run it one more time, so when you unravel your already installed twist. Now the scope is this: I never will loosen my hair totally just to install another twist. Jeez, that's like a hell waste of time. Like it will take your entire day, weeks and all that. So I renew one twist after the other. At the time I'm done loosening my hair, I'm as well done installing my hair. Okay, that's a quick one. So the same thing, you twist the ends of the hair firmly, rope twist firmly. Then when you get to the ends, you just wrap the twist around the other, like pop, just fold it over, and then you get to the very end. You now rope twist the ends again. Just leave a little at the ends and rope twist just to keep it firm and tight. And that's how you get your chunky twists. So, and then the good thing is, by the time you're done unraveling your hair, you're as well done installing a new twist. So this is the only time. And then I don't use combs, I use my fingers. Just run through them. If you notice, I'm not having a lot of shredded hair coming out. That's because I just did my T-rings, I think 2 weeks or a week ago. So usually 4 weeks or 6 weeks I do a T-rings, black T-rings precisely. I'll link the video on how I prepare and use it. Now if I feel like my hair is dry or sort of needing moisture, I just go in with my leave-in conditioner. so it kind of softens it and rehydrates it. I don't usually do it for all because not all needs it. Okay, don't spritz your hair with water. It will revert your strands, dampen your hair, and you would not achieve this look. So that's the finished look. Yep. And you can wear it anyhow, anywhere, anytime. It's full. In fact, people don't believe this in my hair. They always think I attached something, but I'm sorry, it is my hair. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.